this video I will be sharing with you how you can create longer AI generated video, and so that you can start posting on your channel right away. If you have been following up with this video series, which we started few days ago, okay, you will notice how I have been teaching you guys how you can start your Faceless YouTube channel immediately, even without speaking, without showing your face, and of course, and even without having any idea of what you need to do. We spoke about the niches which you can go to. We also spoke about how you can generate your content using ChatGPT to script your content, and of course using other AIs to turn them into videos. Okay, so this particular video series, this particular video we created, okay, I showed you how we generated the scripts using ChatGPT, and of course how we also generated the images which we'll be using ChatGPT to create our image prompt, and we went to Whisk to generate the images, okay, which we actually used, okay, and I also showed you how you can use ChatGPT also to generate images that you can also use, okay. And of course guys, I also showed you how you can turn your images into videos, okay, just the way you are saying it like this, using Grok, which is also another AI which you can also use. All the AIs which I have mentioned here, you can actually use their free version to create all these, okay. But the problem most people are having is the images, the videos which you can generate using using Grok is usually 7 seconds video, okay. So this means that you need to create multiple videos in order for you to complete a single scene or thereabouts, okay. So this might be tiring, and of course nothing comes easy, okay. So because you need to merge so many videos together, create so many images together, and of course you also need to be creative in order to get everything done, okay. I also showed you how you can do the voiceover, but in today's video I want to show you how you can do all these things together, and even a longer video using a single software, okay. So let's dive into it right away. Before we do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Trends, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family, okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, you just need to get started. If you are not starting, then definitely you are leaving a lot of things on the fence, okay, because this particular video series, I told you this video is actually going to be a series video, okay. So this is just the first episode of it, okay. And of course I posted it on my channel, and it gave me a lot of views, and you won't believe how much I am getting from all these videos I am posting on my channel. On this particular channel I am using for contents like this, okay. I earn a minimum of $4 on every 1,000 views I'm getting from my videos, okay. So if each of the video is actually giving me 50,000 views, and of course, you know, I will keep on getting views on daily basis, because these are things that people will like to keep on watching on daily basis, okay. So that is it. So you can imagine how much I will be making from such channel, okay. So you just need to get started. I've given you the idea, I've given you how you can go about it. So all you just need to do is just for you to start right away, okay. So now let me show you how we can simplify everything that we have been doing all this while. So we'll be using a particular software or AI called CapCut, okay. So this time around we are using the CapCut.com/AI creator, okay. If you want the link, you can comment it it in the comment section that I should send the link to you, I'm going to drop the link for you guys in the comment section so that you can do that right away. That is what I actually use to generate what I have here, but I'm going to show you how I'm able to do that. So I'm going to go to new projects. So before I go to new projects, okay, let's load that first. Okay, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT. You can use two methods actually, so I'm starting with the first method right here. So you go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has actually been a good friend to me all this while, so I'm just going to give a prompt to ChatGPT to write my content for me so that we can use it over there. Okay, so I'm going to do that right away. So I've given ChatGPT my prompt. I say I'm putting it here. I write a 10-minute oral story. Make sure it is captivating, and of course, make sure it is captivating from the beginning. Okay, sorry. Let me correct that. So the end and real. Okay, so that is, it should make it real. Okay, so I'm just going to give it this prompt because I don't want us to waste time at all, and ChatGPT is going to generate the script for us. Okay, and try as much as possible to make it minutes long. Okay, so this is the script being written already. Okay, the stuff is it might not be 10 minutes totally, but it will be very close to it. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so another thing which we also need to do is to come to the CapCuts. This is going to show, so you can enter your script here, which is the first method we are using, and you can also ask the AI to create one for you. Okay, so you can also do that. Okay, so you can click on this so that the AI can create one for you. Okay, so instead of using ChatGPT, you can create your content here too. Okay, I think that's so amazing. The beautiful thing I love about this is that this is 100% free, as in this CapCut AI is 100% free. Okay, and scarier, longer, and so you can see that this is one thing I love about ChatGPT. You can see this is the story. It has been written already, and at the end of it, check out what it wrote. Okay, it said if you want this scarier, okay, longer, or with a twist ending, okay, or set it in a school, hostel, or village, tell me, and don't worry, I won't call your name. Okay, so that is it. So you can always ask ChatGPT to do that for you. Okay, so this is the story, and of course you can just go through it just to know if it is well written and if it is giving you the kind of vibes that you want. Okay, so after going through everything, then the next thing you should do is to copy it. Okay, so you just click on copy and go to the CapCut and paste it here. Okay, so you're going to see exactly what I'm going to do right here. Okay, so you just paste it and it's going to analyze everything. Okay, so let's wait for it. It is doing the analysis. Okay, let's wait for it. You're going to love every bit of it. On the chat box, all it's going to do is to split it into different scenes, just where you are saying try this. So the next thing you need to do is to come to the icon at the bar right here and click on scenes. Okay, so once you click on scenes, you're going to see it on. Okay, so you can choose a voice over. Go to voice, choose a voiceover. I'm going to pick a male voiceover, okay, and I will choose English because it is an English, so I think I will go with Andrew. So I will just pick this voiceover and apply to the scenes, okay. So it's going to load it up. So after loading it up, we need to find the medias for it, okay. So we're going to do that right away. Let's allow it to finish loading, okay. We are creating a voiceover right now. Okay guys, the voiceover has been created, so we can play it.
Alright, lights low, phone.
So you can see the voiceover has been created, guys. The voiceover has been created. So the next thing we need to do, still on the scenes, so we're going to, instead of we staying on the voiceover, you can see when I played it, it was showing nothing. So we need to create the medias for it, okay. So you just take it to media and you take it to generate AI media because you are not using your own personal media, okay. So depending on the story you will be using, okay, you can decide to go for this aspect ratio if you are posting on YouTube, but if you are posting on TikTok, you select this, okay. So depending on the story you want to generate, okay, that is the kind of story we are generating. So what we need to do is to scroll down and choose something that can give us, a template that can give us that kind of effects, okay. So let's see, this is all, okay. So you can choose this, and let's see, this is another one. You can choose this. Then I think this is another one too which you can use, okay. So let's see the one we will prefer. I think this spooky too is oral, okay. So let me just select this oral, okay. So I'm just going to select this and apply to scenes, okay. Continue generating. Some scenes don't have voiceover, okay, add them. And of course we can delete those ones later on. For instance, this one is not having voiceover, so we're going to check why it is not having voiceover. So those that are not having voiceover, we can have them deleted later on, okay. So but let's just, for the purpose of this video, let us generate the medias for, so that we will get to see the ones that are working. The reason why some are not having voiceover is because there are no comments at that particular point. For instance, you can see we have areas that are somehow muted, okay. So for instance, step, and do you get it? So that is why some are not having voiceover. So we can easily ask it to regenerate it so that we can have the right voiceover for that, okay. So let's wait for the medias to be fully done, okay. And I'm going to show you the one I also did personally. You can even use it to write children's story and post it on your social media, okay, just to pass moral values to children, okay. But in that case, you are not going to select all, okay. So you're going to select something that is related to children, okay. So you should understand that. Probably something like this, okay. So that is how it works. So I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get it done, okay. This is very easy to do. You can easily generate so many contents using this method alone, okay. Okay guys, the media have been generated. We will have some of it that will not generate anything like this, so you can just click on it and ask it to regenerate it, okay. And of course I'm just going to play what we have here so that we get
Step down when you're done. Here's a 10-minute realistic horror story that creeps in quietly and doesn't let go. Hashtag
creeps in quietly and doesn't let go. Hashtag
the last bus home. At 9:47 p.m., the last bus always came. Everyone in Ajala knew that. If you missed it, you walked. And walking at night meant passing the old military quarters, abandoned since the fire 15 years ago. That night, I missed the bus. I remember checking my phone. 9:48 p.m. 1 minute late.
So guys, can you all see that? That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. This is a content I literally really generated using AI and free tools, guys. And do you know what? You can still add sounds to it. Okay, background sounds, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You know, I am here for you guys. So you can see this part. You can see it has generated the caption on it. Okay, so you don't need to do that on your own, and if you want to customize it, you can definitely customize this. Okay, so now let's go to the music part, the background music part. Okay, so you can choose any of it. Okay, I will advise you to go for something that is light, that goes with the content you are using you are trying to use or create. Okay, so we're just going to go through this together. So that's no, I don't think that's cool. I don't think this is cool for it. No, that's too fast. So let's see more. Okay, let me see this. No, that's too fast. I think this is cool. So for you to add the background sound to it, you just need to click on the plus sign in front of it, and it will be added. You can see it has been added. So I'm going to play this all over again.
Bus stop was empty except for me and the buzzing street light that flickered like it was struggling to stay away.
Can you all see that? It is as simple. So our video is now ready, so you can easily download it by clicking on the download button and have it posted on your YouTube channel. So guys, you can start with this right away. It is very simple to do, super easy, and of course you can start with it right away. So guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have more questions, you can let me know down there in the comment section. Okay, you know very well that I will be there to reply you. Okay, except if you don't. Okay, so once you have any question at all, if there is anything you would like me to discuss more on, kindly let me know. I'm going to be there to reply all your questions. You can see it's how it is generated from the scripts down to creating of the scenes one after the other, creating the medias, the voiceover, and everything. Then for you to download, you click on export and you export it. You input everything, then you click on export, and once you export, you have it saved on your system, and thereafter you can upload it on your channel. It is as simple as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Trends, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are there, and you can also drop your question for me in the comment section. Thank you.